Your story and your view on the management is essentially what shapes your call, why you've downgraded this company. If those things don't happen, what happens for you and your call? It stays the same, it doesn't move?
No, look, had I known the company was going to generate close to $1 billion in free cash flow, I probably wouldn't have downgraded. Having said that, the call has been about the management team and Elon's erratic behavior in particular. But you know what's interesting is since that SEC investigation went away, he's been very quiet, both in terms of social media and internally there hasn't been a lot of departures. I think if this continues to be the case, then it's hard not to be positive on this story.
So he was very well behaved on the call yesterday,
was.
and I'm just wondering how difficult it is as an analyst right now to get visibility on this company. Let's be clear, hardly anyone saw that number that came yesterday coming. So how difficult is it to get this much visibility on this company when so many people are providing research for it? How much clarity do you have on what they're doing?
As outsiders, it's hard. It's harder than, a lot of other companies that I cover. But I think you just have to step back and look at the big picture. This company's having a tremendous amount of success with their Model 3. They've got a lot of room to grow. They've found religion on costs, and we're seeing what is probably the start of several quarters of profitability. And so I think when you look at it from a big picture standpoint, if you're a believer in the product, if you're a believer in the management team, then I think you got to get on board.